fucking skirt! God damn it!
That was fucking epic!
I'm gonna go get my supernova. Did I land it clean and it just imploded?
What were you going for?
I was trying to do a kick flip or something. I don't fucking know.
Or something. I got it on the read.